you have to do it over there.
Bet you think I'm sitting at home? No. Bet you think that I'm all alone? No. Bet you think I'm missing you and wishing you would call my phone? Hell no.
Alright, today's the day. We're going out. We have an hour and a half drive up to Englewood. We're going with Captain Paul, and it's going to be a good day, hopefully. We're going for some big lights, big sharks, barracuda, bonita, stuff like that.
All night, I'm way too gone to have you on my mind. She got a body, and she's naughty, and she got me like you ain't ever got me. I'm getting some, and I ain't slept in a week. Yeah, I'm somewhere on the beach. Heard you called my boys, heard you called my folks. They said you drove by my house real slow. You can check any spot, roll down every road, but girl.
That's bottom, or is that a fish? Oh, JR's got a big fish too. You sure, Doc? Alright, I'm here. I got you, I'm coming. Yeah. No, dude, that's a fish. I'm coming. We got you, it's a big line. This is a big one. No, dude. Yeah.
No, it's a fish.
It's a big fish.
My hood is caught.
I got you.
No, it's a fish, Dad.
Yeah, it's a big. Oh.
Yep, yours just broke off and yours line.
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, was he hooked?
Usually will go out a little bit. Oh, my fish is off. What was on there? This one, I really. It was also, it didn't break the line?
No color yet, you're still good?
No, it didn't.
Did it break the line?
Yeah.
I see
Yeah,
color.
they were double fighting.
What kind of,
This has got to be an AJ, right?
looks like it would.
Oh yeah, here we go, color.
Yep.
Nice AJ.
There's another one with it. Oh,
Really?
yep.
Jigging to it right, jigging to it
Got
right.
another, yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
nice
that's good
AJ.
right there.
Look at this guy.
Drop that down, quick.
Look.
There, see him?
Yeah.
So one of you.
Woo!
Nice.
Nice one.
Arm's a little bit tired. Ah!
There you go. No, that's a fish. Stay out of the wreck, stay out of the wreck, stay out of the wreck. Oh, in the wreck. I got a fish. I got a big fish. Yep. Not as big as I thought. This is a small AJ probably. Maybe not. No, I can feel him. That's good for now. There we go. Dude, I'm telling you, just drop it. Look at this. Right up there, go up there, go up there.
Doubled up, baby. Oh, I see color.
I can get this guy. Don't worry about it. This is only a little guy. Here you go. There you go. I got him. Don't worry about it. No, buddy, come on.
Want to get this on your camera? Let's see your
Oh,
stuff.
you're gonna
Get
wanna.
your fish?
That's a big end.
Something big just grabbed it.
I got that live well close behind you. Real good. Nice, nice.
Okay, Kimberly.
Okay.
You
Go to this side. Well, there you go.
No, she's got him. She's got him.
To gain
She's
line,
got him.
you
It's a
do
nice
it.
shark. She's got him. She'll be able to get him.
This is awesome.
This is so sick.
Off it if you get it to that side of the boat.
That's exactly what we want.
Fluoro was
Yeah, that's a
Holy
nice shark,
Yeah,
man.
he's a head shaker. He's a shark.
Wow.
Those head shakes, though. Those head shakes.
my
Don't let that thing go slack,
I
please.
know. Sorry.
Yeah, just because he's coming towards you.
Yeah, he's running towards you.
Yep.
real fast.
Oh, no, he let go of it. It's right here.
He did.
Yeah, it's right there.
That's he's on the.
That's
Oh,
the
okay,
fish on
okay.
the line. That's
I was like,
about
are
to
you
say.
kidding me?
No, I saw him.
Look at that.
Oh, kingfish!
No, he'd
No,
be
it's
jumping.
too big a head shakes.
Keeping it tight.
Oh, right here.
No,
Really?
Wait.
that's not him.
Oh,
There
right.
he is. There he is.
Oh,
Oh, it's a big AJ.
big AJ.
Oh no, it's just a head.
No, it's just below it.
Oh my God, the
Oh,
AJ.
that
Oh, the other AJ with
I
it.
got shark.
Oh,
No way.
way.
No way.
That's what it was. The
Oh.
shark did it when
Yeah.
she was fighting.
Do you see that AJ with it?
Yeah.
The AJ was like 80s.
Look at that thing. Shredded.
Wow. Dude, crazy. Holy shit. Thing was just running for days and then all of a sudden let go way out there. Save that guy though, don't throw him. You got a fish? Yes sir. Attaway. Fight it. Fight it, Christian. Fight it. Come on, JR. Let's go. Oh shit! Handline. You worry about that. You worry about that. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, here we go. I got one. I got a big barracuda. He just smoked it. No, he missed it. Come on, smoke it. Come on. He went so far at it. Come on, dude. No way. He was swimming so fast at it. How do you just not? Yeah, but. Christian, isn't it crazy how big of a fight that thing put up for you? Right in the beginning, this little one? The little 8-pounder? Yeah. Where the heck is that? Was a big cuda. Oh, right here, here we go. I got him. He's right here. Splashed. He's coming underneath the boat. Here we go. Big AJ. Two big ones. Here we go. It's figure eight. Big. Oh, hey, school AJ on me. Oh, he's playing with it. Oh, fuck. Right when I switched. Oh, my God. Yep. Anyway, got a butt end. Oh no. No, he didn't. I got him. Not yet. Hold up here. Let me see him. Oh, come on. Not yet. Alright, yeah, you getting ready? Here you go. Yep. I'm gonna inch him back here. Hold up, you're on me, dude. Yeah, it just got way lighter. Yeah, I got someone.
You see her line?
No, but I can feel it. Yeah, I can feel it.
If it pulls hard, then open up this drag. Probably just sliding.
Yeah, it is. It's really big. Alright, that's what I thought at least. It smoked it. So I had it in my left hand and I was switching over to my right and it smoked the... I got the hand line. Oh, that's not really big, but I'll take it. And then it will be recording. There you go. Then you can get this released too if you want. I would enjoy to watch that. Yeah, I see it. Here it comes. Another AJ. One following it. Two following it. Three following it. There's four.
Lines are in the
That doesn't have a leader on it. Is it still
Head
taking
shakes.
line?
Yeah, it's ripping.
Okay.
I'm at 220.
Just keep an eye on how much line you have.
Yep. Dang.
Told you you needed to take it.
Ah!
Oh, I broke it.
Alright, let's go find those bonita.
Just put pressure on that.
I got it. I got him out. I got him out.
Don't let him go there.
Hey, hold on, this one is in the live well. I'm getting out of here. There we go. Oh yes, hello. You're good? No, we're good. We're good. I got him. On? You know how to turn it on. Alright, and then there's a little red button right next to the viewing screen. You just click it once.
No swearing.
He's right here. There he goes.
Your hook is just about out. That's probably the biggest
There we go.
one of the day right there. That's it. You're the musky hold.
30 pounder. Dude. Button and it should be recording.
Yep.
There you go. Oh, yep. Alright, see you.